All right, guys. So we are in the basement. We're looking at doing a full system replacement. So we'll get started. So it's a high efficiency 2-stage, 80,000 BTU. Unit is a little oversized. So I measured from right there to right there. I've got that measured at about 17 inches. For the height, I measure right at the base from right there to right there at about 35 inches, and then a depth of 28. For the return, I measured from that point right there to right up against there. I've got that measured at about 19 inches. And for the depth, I went right on the return trunk back for about 25 inches. It's an uncased coil. And then for the height, I measured right at the crease there, and I went up to roughly right about the height right there, and that's about 37 inches. For the width, I took the smallest point just above the furnace from right there to right there at about 16 and a half inches. And same thing with the depth from that point back at about 19 and a half. There is an ejector pump that we're going to need to replace. Water tank is right there. And then the humidifier is right on the back here. It is a little tight, but very manageable for the spacing when you're kind of going from like the one side over to the other. But yeah. And then for the supply trunks, I measured 12 by 9 and 12 by 12. And so, yeah, that there you go.